How to add a fire effect in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and place the clip where you want the fire effect on the timeline. Then, find the free fire overlay video with a transparent background, usually in .mov or MP4 format from websites like Pixabay or Pixels. Next, drag the fire overlay on a new video track above your main clip. Make sure to position it where the fire should appear. To blend it naturally, select the fire clip, go to the inspector, and change the composite mode to screen or add. This removes the black background, leaving only the flames visible. After that, you can adjust the size and position of the fire clip using the transform controls in the inspector to fit the scene perfectly. If needed, use the color tab to tweak the brightness, contrast, or color temperature to match your footage better. To make the fire effect more dynamic, add a slight Gaussian blur or keyframe the opacity for flickering flames. You can also duplicate the fire layer, change its scale or rotation, and blend them together for a thicker fire effect. Finally, render your video to see the fire effect fully integrated with your footage. And that's it. Now you know how to add a fire effect in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.